Kedam tang ningkan thom kep sose ningkan pen Karbiang long la pen dimahasau arat akari India Constitution long ketok ang Article 244A kapachun ponji aphanpura nang chesom bom wang bom si kedam tang pai ni phai narkep ar ni le thota Delhi rong sopi jantar mantara long hemprek ke hang asai kedeng thu New Delhi rong sopi jantar mantara long ke padopon bangso a hemprek ke hang amay long kanchas tikam amay phu ajiti mungke japon along KSA Karbi riso adorbar Karsa KUYA lalung adorbar Karbia dorbar lapen prek jam aham phanga song atum cherap cheto donsi Delhi rong sopia long hemprek ke hang par omplup anpinlo
around 2,000 crore rupees per year. There is also an industry tour, but if this autonomous state is achieved, according to our demand, according to demand raised by another leadership of the Ajit University as well as the participating organization of this particular one are here, then all this will be achieved. That is why not only today, in the coming days, until and unless we achieve our demand, until and unless we achieve our potential, then we will continue having continued, and you also try your best to continue to support, continue your presence, to strengthen the hand of the people, and to strengthen the hand of Karbiang Long and the Mahasau.
Awi kami pinangan angkat kita hok lo.
My thankfulness and gratitude to all the MLA, the MP, as well as the executive members of Karbiang Autonomous Council and the Mahasau Autonomous Council for their full support. By which we are coming here, we are here and with their support, we can do everything. And I have heard that they also will participate after some time. I was told yesterday that their presence is likely here after some time.
Article 244A na pacun kita sarkar. Indian Constitution or
all the MLAs with the same name of ULAC, Indian of Bosholan ULAC,
Mantri Jantar Mantara Prothom di masa Karbiang Long rat dan
MLA of Arakat LAC,
and the
chief executive member of Dr. Indra Mohan and honorable chief executive member of Mahasau Council, Deval Galusa. They have given their violator endorsement in support of this demand, and which has been already mentioned in the memorandum which is being submitted to the government of India. So that is what I'm very thankful to them, and in future in the coming days, in the days to come, I expect their more support and their full cooperation in doing all these things until and unless our goal is achieved. That is why, and finally, I extend my thankfulness to all of you, those who are participating here, coming on behalf of different organizations. I am from BJP.
Bangso hemprek ke hang adi malong MP Horen Singh Bela pen Karbiang Long Autonomous Council EM Surjo rong pharsitami adi malong an palitun EM Surjo rong pharpen kaningje ponateng ki kedam tang pharu krisir kebra trokner kebra trok aningkan pen paplut le pin pen bangso hemprek Karbiang Long na pen di Mahasau aradatum che song ponlo bonda pinyani anta kichunji aphan che theklong leder
1986 Grand System known as Hingam Montega Drop to say Apora ni di Songo, lepas kan di Songo, tentu kan kapan. Waktu itu angkun putih pintu nak di Songo, bangga nanti di sisi sebuah lo, kalau itu kan Songo, di sisi dulu custom, KPS ni, Karsa, JMC, hasil NCU speaker federation bukan dulu. Sebenarnya ini cuma hemplate. Artikel 244A memang disebutkan ini ada bagaimana? Sebenarnya langsung ke sini, dua memang langsung dari dia mati pada dua agen langsung. Bukan hanya dari apa yang kita songlo. Itu esensi awal bahasa Indonesia pun apa dulu kalau mati songlo. Tanggung orang pakai angkut dulu yang sini.
Nilitum si hempre ke hang ching po alam pen abangki jeparoka I nang nilo. Ningi sivet dosi hang rapet nang po lapen non ke cari bom a sorkar atuma phanse dami kai ke amat hempre alam abangki ar tok dam lot nang po pusi KSAMI pu thang sing timung pen ning je pon.
I conclude, and before conclusion, I would like to raise our slogan. We will be standing up to the company.
At alam ko lider patay-patay di lagi. Asi presar ko bilang di. Si presar ko
No to the master! No to the master! No to the master! Hempeng long leting! Hempeng long leting! Hamare mange! Hamare mange! Hamare mange!
rat kurpanang ko. Non dak bang parokot thom.
Di mata
Karbi yang long arat yang cisong no. Karbi yang long di dokong tame arat tame ahen long cisong amedi. Social media kan kan teknik presar tidak penang di presar tidak kan kalau kita ke antik ini non dak bang thom met itu cisong. Population ke lak ke se karbi yang long arat hai amor hai itu arat doan majority kata mengutum memang paklangon social media lo kami wiwan otomatis paklangon ini tu memang
Bangso kache song along ke Japon abang pu mate kanchas di ko mamai pu ajit timunga hin pen rat ki pudun thap ki pudun pru aputhak maya long pen kache song rape ji aphan kachuning ripen ke hang padopon Delhi pen long soda ringti Karbiang long live